Hello, learners. Welcome to today's lesson on landforms, the natural features that shape the Earth's surface. Landforms are formed through natural processes like erosion, weathering, volcanic activity, and plate movements. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with unique features and importance. Each one creates a unique habitat, demanding special adaptations from the plants and animals that call it home. Today we'll focus on 5 major types: mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, and volcanic landforms. Let's explore each one and discover what makes them special. Mountain landforms. Mountains are large, elevated areas that rise sharply above the surrounding land. They often have steep sides and peaks. Mountains are formed mostly by movements in the Earth's crust, such as the collision of tectonic plates or volcanic activity. The Himalayas in Asia and the Rockies in North America are good examples. Mountains can affect climate and weather patterns and are important sources of rivers. They also support diverse plant and animal life, especially in cooler, higher altitudes. People visit mountains for hiking, skiing, and breathtaking views. Common animals found within mountain landforms include deers, mountain goats, gray wolves, apes, monkeys, foxes, snakes, skunks, porcupines, eagles, parrots, and other birds. Plateau landforms. A plateau is a flat or gently sloping elevated landform that stands higher than the land around it. It's like a mountain with a flat top. Plateaus are formed by volcanic activity or the uplift of Earth's crust. Some plateaus are vast and stretch across large areas, like the Deccan Plateau in India or the Colorado Plateau in the USA. Plateaus are important for farming and human settlement, especially when they have rivers or fertile soils. They can also contain valuable minerals and natural resources. They usually have dense vegetation cover, which hosts animals such as rabbits, poultry, grass cutters, pigs, goats, sheep, monkeys, snakes, and birds. Plain landforms. Plains are wide, flat, or gently rolling stretches of land that have very little elevation change. They are often found near rivers, oceans, or in the center of continents. Plains are typically formed by the deposition of sediments from rivers or glaciers. Examples include the Great Plains of North America and the Indo-Gangetic Plains of India. Plains are excellent for farming due to their rich soil and availability of water. They also support large populations because of their accessibility and ease of development. Plain landforms are good habitats for animals such as antelopes, elephants, buffalo, cattle, sheep, rabbits, many kinds of monkeys, crocodiles, snakes, insects, wild dogs, and cats. Valley landforms. A valley is a low-lying area between hills or mountains, often formed by the action of rivers or glaciers over millions of years. Rivers carve V-shaped valleys, while glaciers create U-shaped ones. Valleys are often fertile and are good places for farming and human settlements. The Nile Valley in Egypt and the Rift Valley in Africa are famous examples. Valleys can also support forests, wildlife, and tourism. Because they are sheltered, they often have milder climates compared to surrounding highlands. Animals like rabbits, frogs, tortoises, chameleons, snakes, wolves, birds, lizards, and butterflies can be found in valleys. Volcanic landforms. Volcanic landforms are created by volcanic activity when molten rock, magma, from inside the Earth erupts onto the surface. These include volcanoes, lava plateaus, craters, and calderas. Volcanoes like Mount Fuji in Japan or Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania are iconic examples. Some volcanic landforms are active, while others are dormant or extinct. The soil around volcanoes is very fertile, supporting agriculture. However, volcanic eruptions can also be dangerous. Volcanic landscapes attract tourists and are important for geothermal energy and scientific research. Animals found on volcanic landforms where there is a source of water include flamingos, iguanas, sea lions, and penguins. And that wraps up our journey through the amazing landforms that shape our Earth. mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, and volcanic landforms. Each one plays a unique role in our environment and everyday life. Now that you've learned their features, you'll start noticing them everywhere, from your textbooks to real-world landscapes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another science tutorial. Have a favorite landform or a question about what we covered? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.